guys, welcome back. I'm Shivanti, and in case if this is the first time you're seeing my video, I've been posting on YouTube for the past 1.5 years. So even if you don't like this particular video, go back to my channel, watch some other video and consider subscribing to it. Subscribing to the channel. Okay, enough of acting, let's come to today's topic. Last time when I posted a vlog where I was actually showing you guys how I journal and everything, so many of you actually related to the idea, and also you people really liked it. I mean, like, you messaged me on Instagram and Facebook saying, you look like one mental case, but seriously, do you have such good habits? Yes, I do have some good habits, and one of which is this. So this time I thought of elaborating on the whole idea of how I journal, like how I manage my 9 to 5 job and YouTube, everything. And one more thing, instead of coming and scolding me, teasing me and appreciating me on Instagram and Facebook, you can actually use something called comments down below. It will be helpful for me and my video to reach other people. So please consider that. Scold me, tease me, do whatever you want. I won't say no, because I myself feel all that when I sit and watch my own videos, so I won't blame you guys, but do it in the comment section down below. That's all. Today is a Saturday. Like, basically, as I said in my previous video, I do not film or shoot any videos during the weekends. I only do it during the week. So basically, I do not film or shoot any videos during the weekdays. I only do it during the weekends because I have my regular 9 to 5 job. Because nobody who's working with me should come to me tomorrow and tell, just because you're doing YouTube videos, you're not able to concentrate properly on your work. Even if there is no YouTube, I would have done the same thing only. I know that, but they don't know, right? Basically, we shouldn't give people reasons to talk behind our back. Let them come up with their own reasons. It's their problem. We should keep our side clean. As soon as I wake up, I brush my teeth, because without brushing my teeth, I cannot talk, and without talking, it is really hard for me to survive. And every Saturday, I take bath. I take head bath. Every Saturday, I take head bath. Okay. Amma, why am I telling all this to you guys? I don't know. Let's get on with the work. After brushing and bathing, the next good thing that I do is to come up with a to-do list. I have to plan my day, because when I plan and execute itself, I'll forget so many things. Then just imagine what will happen to my life if I don't plan. By this time, I wouldn't have even had a job, and I would have been roaming down in the streets. This note in a nearby shop for just 150 rupees, nothing fancy. Also keep in mind, buying notebook for 150 rupees and writing down things in color pens is not a big thing at all. Even a first standard kid would do that better than you. What matters is that you have to follow what you've written. So the first thing every day on my to-do list will be work from home. So work from home is basically a request. I think it's there for every IT dude out there. Basically, we have to submit a request called work from home, stating that we are working from home this particular day, else we will be marked absent. I forgot to submit this 2 times, and I was marked absent, and 2 days leave got debited from my account. It's really hard for me because I never used to take leave often. Oh, that much work you do, huh? The matter is, when I was a child, I used to come up with nice creative reasons and all to not to go to the school. Like, something went, I'm not able to hear properly, something went inside my nose, I'm not able to breathe properly, heart attack, all these drama I'll do. Imagine, my mother, she's my mother, then how she will be. She'll be like, oh, appadiyada, go, get ready fast and go to school and then sleep there. Yeah, you heard me right. She'll ask me to go to the school and sleep there. Look at my face, look at my face cut. Even if I have severe fever, go to my teacher and tell that I'm having fever. She'll be like, po. That's how she used to react. I won't blame her. My face cut is like that. Like, now I'm looking better. When I was a kid, I was looking like one poisonous insect. Nobody used to believe me when I tell the truth, you know. I just got used to not taking leave thing. I never used to take leave, and I used to take pride in that. I used to have so many leaves. I used to go to people and say, see, I have 30 days leave. How much do you have? And when 2 days leave got debited, I got mild heart attack itself. So that is the reason why the first thing that goes on my to-do list every single day is submitting work from home. The next thing on my to-do list is workout. I also write down what workout I'm going to be doing today. That is because like I would have allotted 45 minutes to do my workout, okay? In case if I don't decide what workout I'm going to be doing now itself, what I'll do in that 45 minutes, I'll take 30 minutes to think what workout to do today. And the rest 15 minutes, what I'll do, I'll start convincing myself, what am I gonna do in 15 minutes? We can do nothing, so we'll see tomorrow. So in the end, I won't do anything. I also remind myself to write my diary because I started writing my diary last October. Ever since then, I haven't even missed one single day. I just want to keep it that way, so I remind myself every single day to write my diary. It'll be really funny to read what you've written after 2-3 years. I'll read one from last October, okay? Filmed Nika Hall video. Supuni came home. Supuni is the dog which we have. I mean, it's not our dog, it's actually my brother's dog, okay? That little monkey has become hyperactive. He has grown a little bit and biting a lot. That is it. That is my life. And somewhere I've written, God help me please. Something serious has happened. I don't want to read that, but this thing is written in bold letters. God help me please. And there were 2 love letters which fell from this journal, which I wrote to a guy. Thank God I didn't give it to him. Another thing that I really love is to read books. I love reading books, but I won't be able to spend time every single day with my books. But still, I write it as a reminder in my to-do list to read at least one single page before I go to sleep. Sometimes I won't be able to do that, but that's totally fine. Done with my journal, and as I said, only on Saturdays and Sundays I film my videos. This is a Saturday, so I have to film one Instagram video and one YouTube video. This is for my Instagram, so in case if you're not following me out there, please follow me. Useless purchase number 1. So this is actually an epilator. This is from this brand called Braun. I think that's how it's pronounced. The product is really good product. But if I close my eyes and ask myself, Shivanti, do you really need this product? A voice inside my head is telling. For me, this product is useless because like I barely have any hair on my face. Then for what the hell you got this means, I understand. See, I have like 2-3 hair on top of my upper lips, but it's not visible. Like it's not that odd when you see me normally. But then if I apply makeup on top of it, that's when it seems a bit odd. So I just wanted that area to be clear, and I've never done threading, waxing or shaving especially on that area, and I was not interested in doing any of those. So I got this, but when I sit down calmly and if I think about it, I could have just used a tweezer to pull those hair out of my face. This is for 1,699 and 1,700. For 1,700, 1 rupee less. Okay, it got delivered to me like within 24 hours, so it was super fast, and I'll also show you guys how it works. This is how it basically is, and you have to remove the top layer, and this is the area which you use to take off the hair basically. This doesn't have any precision to it. You'll be able to shape your eyebrows with this because as you can see, the area is a bit broad. You won't have any precision when you use this. You just have to turn this, and that's it. It's on, and you have to swirl it around your face. I'll just take some hair off from my hand and show you guys how it works. And this is supposed to be used on your face, not on your body. I'm just doing it to show you guys how it works because I have nothing on my face. So actually this brush comes with a set, so you're supposed to clean this entire thing only with this brush. Like one big thing, don't go and wash it and all, okay? That's it. It won't work. Yo, I didn't show you guys. Can you see? Huh. So this is how it works. In case if you are a hairy person, like in case if you have a lot of hair on your face, you can definitely go ahead and purchase this. I think it's better than waxing or threading or shaving. And usually this is how I store all my neck pieces, like one garbage. You can take this as a typical example for how not to store all your neck pieces because it might damage them. Is something wrong with you? You're spending that much on buying all these useless shits, but you can't buy an organizer for your necklaces? Actually, yes, there is something wrong with me. Not only you, but my parents, my brother, my total family including me have the same doubt. So no use in talking anything to me or advising me. Waste piece. So finally I got an organizer. I received it only today. We'll see how it is. This was the cheapest one available on Amazon. Then what? If I spend all my money on this, who will get me makeup? It is really small. I didn't expect it to be this small. I thought it will expand. But no, it's very small. These are the pouches which are there inside this. And what is the price of this actually? 368. But I paid 435. எதுக்கு? Tax amount 66. So total 435 rupees. Too much ache. So finally I have something decent or barely decent thing to store all my necklaces. We'll see how it works. I also got few accessories and necklaces. I'll show you what it is. Then for 350 rupees I bought something, okay. Light heart attack vandruchu. This is it. So this I got it for 350 rupees. I thought it would be a little bit bigger and I thought it would be of good quality, but nothing. It looks pretty, like it looks really pretty, see? But 350 rupees for this is too much. In case you are a crackhead like me and if you wish to buy any of this, I'll put the link of everything down in the description box, so please don't forget to check it out. Then I got this. This actually came with the earring. Yeah, came with this. So together I think it was within 500 rupees. I'm not sure about the price. I'll mention somewhere in the screen for this alone. I was pretty happy with this. The quality is not great, but then it still looks good. And in case if you guys are interested in watching my necklace collection, you can check it out here somewhere. I'll put the link. This is how it will be. I really love it. Next one is my most favorite. Like, I got these bracelets or cuffs, whatever it is. So set of 4 for 274 or 5 rupees. I'm obsessed with these. I used to wear them with this watch right here. I also have few other bracelets and cuffs from this brand called Guess. I used to mix and match them and I wear it. I knew for sure that I won't be able to go out anytime soon because Corona second wave has already started. But I was so obsessed with this. I wanted to wear this somewhere and I didn't know what to do. So what I did, I started wearing it in the house itself. Wherever I go, whatever I do, I'll have this in my hands. So when I say I'm obsessed with something, it means I'm seriously obsessed with it to an extent where people will consider admitting me in the hospital. Hi, it's me only. I actually forgot to tell you guys one thing while filming this video, and I realized that only now while I'm about to post this video. So I thought I'll quickly come here and share with you guys what I forgot to tell you back then. And I just now woke up. I didn't even take bath. I mean, I didn't even wash my face. That is why I actually didn't find a property to cover my entire face. So please bear with me. I also got these satin scrunchies from Amazon. They looked really pretty and also they are on hype right now. They say when you use satin scrunchies and satin pillowcases, your hair fall reduces. I'll tell you one thing. When God decides to make you bald, nothing can save you. This did nothing to my hair fall. Please subscribe to this channel. Bye. That's it for today's video.